So, come on. Okay, I'm trying to give them grubblies, and all my other chickens are freaking out. Come on. Fern back there with the white leg band is looking like she doesn't feel good. Hey everyone, so I've had the girls for 2 weeks now. I did not weigh them when I first got them, and I'm wishing I would have. So I'm going to start weighing them now. I'm going to use a food scale, a little mini cookie sheet, and then all the girls have leg bands that also have numbers on them, which has really helped me keep track of them, also help assign their names. So anyways, I'm going to take their weight so that way maybe every 2 weeks or so I can weigh them again just to make sure they're gaining weight. Well, it wasn't flat here, so we're gonna move them over here. I didn't want to have to carry him so far. Oh baby, it's okay. So, Lucky, who is my sick girl right now, is the lightest. So, I shouldn't be surprised by that. I do have her on medication right now, so hopefully that will help. 310 or 39. So Comet weighed 3 pounds, pretty much exactly. Fern weighed 3 pounds 12 ounces. Lucky weighed 2 pounds 10 ounces, so she is pretty light. I'm probably gonna weigh her every week. And then Rosé is 3 pounds 9 ounces. I should weigh one of my big girls to compare. And this is also PM, and their crops were full, so something to keep into account. I need to always weigh them that same. Here's one of my big girls. So I'm gonna weigh her and see what she weighs. She's a good girl. She's okay. So she weighed 6 pounds 2 ounces. 6 pounds 2 ounces. And my heaviest girl was 3 pounds 12 ounces. So this is egg factory chickens, guys. Buy local farm fresh eggs.